We talk football SA. Kaiser Chiefs 2, Sekhukhune United 0. Kaiser Chiefs they are cruising nicely. My brother, your name and your comments.
Ukhaya Magubane.
Nkomozo.
All the way from KZN. All I can say is that iChiefs idlalile namhlanje, and I want to congratulate you Langelihle Phili. I mean, umkhaya wami wasetshela imnyama. Very proud of him.
Tshela imnyama konje kuphi?
Imnyama is in KZN, just Marenhill. Marenhill just before Pietermaritzburg.
Yes.
So him playing his second game and getting man of the match, that tells you Guti the pressure that he's faced with, because ukhumbula ukuthi idile eyenzekile baningi abantu bebelindele ukuthi insizwa leni izosilisela usebenzile. Second game, man of the match. Yes, and he created opportunities. I want to say to the coach, I'm very warm with the fact that he's able to make substitutions. He's able to read the games. And koninto engiyibonayo abantu abangayinaki yenzayo le ka Dylan Solomons. uDylan Solomons ukuthi angene azodlala as a wing. That's very crucial. The only problem I have with Chiefs ile ndaba ka Frosler. Frosler is not comfortable when he left back. I understand Uguti and Bazama accommodate the situation in scheme, but I still wonder why and what's happening in the Baracrossy. With the Saturday game that's coming up with Sundowns, I hope that we're able to fix that situation. Overall, Chiefs are playing corporate football. We're gaining more position. That is very important because winning a game and playing a game isn't a game. Singapore, but are we playing or are we connecting the dots? The Chiefs are connecting the dots. Sisiya phambili kunobafo la kwakhuluma earlier on ukhuluma indaba kaBatman edlala u10. uBatman originally he's a striker. His positioning is it's very amazing because ucoach ukwazi ukumdlalisa on the side, because you remember the last game bedlala on the side emi kakhulu kulayini. He took it on. He played well. Wangena ngaphakathi, he took it on. He played well. That tells you Guti Uda Cruz he can read his players. That tells you the importance of a coach. That tells you how a coach can read the game. A coach is allowing players to be themselves. You coach because one thing I want you to understand about a team in Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs is your South African Manchester United. You don't need a coach. You need a manager. There's a difference between a coach and a manager. Most of the Chiefs, you expected to go to see Alazi Polo, see Alal. So what exactly? So coach akazile kwena uzokutshela ukuthi kumele wenze uthi kuwena lalela ngicabanga ukuthi ukudlalisa la namhlanje ubona kanjani. And that's what's happening with Chiefs. People are not noticing Mutu the Cruz. He's communicating with the players. We are swinging Ox. That was an amazing game. Because if you look at it, he was more forward today. I was backward passes, but no one is going to talk about it. I'm not back then. Most of the opportunities that arise because of right? Now we're looking at the game that's going forward. What are we saying? Are we saying that can we beat Sundowns? Can we play a game? All I can say is that Kaizer Chiefs are ready to compete. Whatever happens,
it will be a game.
It will be a game. We're ready to compete because in the Nitandi Luguti, we are playing corporate football. We're connecting passes because that's how you see a gameplay. Chiefs came in with a game plan. Now, if you go back to Ikeme Arrows, we didn't lose that game because we were not playing good football. We lost that game because one, kunodlala coach uyasazi uzomkhumbula from eBay. Two, Arrows plays good football as well. So we were hitting a null and void situation. That is why eventually it's still showing. But at the end of the day, it tells you Guti Chiefs has a plan. Corporate football. So I'm proud of Chiefs. We are ready to face Sundowns. We are ready to compete. You know, as angifuni ukuthi abalandeli bedilibale because it's from MTN 8. No, it's a situation that had to happen for us to arise today. Today was a wonderful game. Yes, we can always work on certain aspects of the game, but overall, Chiefs played a good game. Langelihle Phili,